are now tuned in to the world's greatest. Tonight is the night. Bright lights, high cloud. Here we keep the flow down. Everybody get loud. Tonight is the night. A-list, can't miss. We'll be burning to the ground. Everybody get down. Tonight is the night. We stay blinded while our feet get rising. Steady climbing, now we on top. It's not something we get. It's just something we got. 'Cause I don't know if you know what you know. We playing it or not.
Everybody, today is the 30th of July 2016, the day which the Kandy ICBT campus are celebrating their 10th year anniversary. Today the morning was a little bit drizzling, but by the time of 10:30 p.m. the sun came out and it's really wonderful today. The motor rally organized by the ICBT campus are to be started from 8 p.m. onwards with participation of 50 plus motor vehicles. The instructions are given to the motor vehicles so that they have to achieve a destination at a given time, and the winners will be given gifts by the ICBT campus.
Flying high with the stars, guns, tonight is the night. Bright lights, high cloud, here we keep the flow down. Everybody get loud. Tonight is the night. A-list, can't miss. We'll be burning to the ground. Everybody get down. Tonight is the night. We stay blinded while our feet get rising. Steady climbing, now we on top. It's not something you get. It's just something we got. 'Cause I don't know if you know what you know. We playing or not.
Good morning. I have Gimal, who is a lecturer of the ICBT campus and who is one of the main organizers of this Urban Cruisers event. To celebrate the 10th year of ICBT, what are your reasons to hold an event like this to celebrate your 10th year anniversary?
Actually, 10 years surviving in academic Kandy, that is a very huge thing, very huge task. So we want to celebrate it with something that entire Kandy will know. So and recording like conveying automotive engineering kind of related lecturers as well, lecturing as well. So this is still somewhat related to vehicles and something that take too much potential to organize. So we want to show that we have that potential, and we want to show that ICBT is here for 10 years and that we are doing whatever the others can't do.
Yeah, we got our hater shades on. Aviator tip view, so you haters stay gone. Black shoe nice, we got that game face on. 440 on the floor, man, is this thing on? Yo, you can find us if you're drinking the bar, or you can find us black out when we hit it too hard. 'Cause the truth is you can find us wherever you are. Just look up.
I would take a minute to remind the sponsors of Motor Cruisers, the ICBT campus 10th anniversary. X2 Energy Drinks, Cambridge Finance, Ceylon Bank Kandy, Commercial Leasing and Finance Kandy, Nandan Motors, Yashida Creations, TV Dherana, and of course the Kandy Zones.
Flying high with the stars, guns, tonight is the night. Bright lights, high cloud, here we keep the flow down. Everybody get loud. Tonight is the night. A-list, can't miss. We'll be burning to the ground. Everybody get down. Tonight is the night. We stay blinded while our feet get rising. Steady climbing, now we on top. It's not something you get. It's just something we got. 'Cause I don't know if you know what you know. We playing or not. Tonight.
Well, I have Mr. Harshana, who is the GM, the General Manager of ICBT Kandy. So we have a couple of questions for your 10th year celebrations. Why would you choose to hold an event like this, the Urban Cruisers, to commemorate, to celebrate the 10th year anniversary of ICBT Kandy?
Alright, first of all, I must thank Kandy Zone for giving this, organizing this great opportunity. And as you said, like as you very correctly said, like we are celebrating the 10 years in Kandy, and 10 years is and it's not an easy task. Like to stand in the market and to succeed in the market within 10 years, it's a kind of challenging task. So we thought of celebrating this in a big way. And in Kandy, like at ICBT, we encourage students to have take part in extra activities as well, not only academic stuff but extra activities. So the students, the majority of the students who are studying here, they like these kind of activities because these are combined with thrill and fun. And same time, this can give some idea for them to explore the beauty of the areas nearby.
Okay, and now we have survived 10 years at Kandy. What are your future plans, your goals and objectives to prevail in the market for the next decade or more?
Yes, as you said, like we started in 2006, and the initial start was a kind of humble one. We started very small way. In the 10 years time, we have grown a lot, and we become the leader in the region for higher education. And the biggest step we are going to take is our own campus building. We have bought the land. We have just started the construction work. Within next 12 months time, that will be ready for the students. That will be kind of new experience for the students in Kandy. to study for a true international degree with almost the latest facilities.
Well, thank you very much, Mr. Harshan. We hope you will be able to hold more and more events like this so that the entire Kandy will know the name of ICBT. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, and thank you, Candy Zone, once again, and good luck.